Welcome to our videocast, where Mike Robertson will explain about his regulatory training business, PharmaQMTraining.eu. What is your business all about?
PharmaQMTraining.eu is a regulatory training business. Our objective is to train staff who work in the chemical and pharmaceutical industries or within regulatory authorities about subjects, regulatory subjects, that are critical to the successful development and licensing approval of pharmaceuticals. We have a portfolio of training courses that we offer in public meetings. We also prepare and deliver tailor-made training programs for use within the privacy of companies' own facilities.
What is the scope of your business?
The pharmaceutical industry in which we work is huge and displays enormous diversity in its range of products. Many of these we all know, as they include tablets, capsules, oral liquids, eye drops, creams and ointments, injections and so on. But that's not all, because many of the possible products of this highly innovative industry are much more complicated. A similar picture could be drawn if you consider the chemical and biotechnological industries. There, the products which are the active ingredients or drug substances can be rather simple or extraordinarily complicated molecules which ultimately will end up contained within the dosage form. Regardless of drug substance or drug product complexity, in order to be able to sell or supply a licensed medicine in the European Union, a company must first obtain a product license, which in the modern jargon is called a marketing authorization.
Tell us more about getting a product license.
Getting such a license is no simple task, and the work requires knowledge and skills to guarantee a company's success. Much of this effort embraces a subject I would call pharmaceutical regulatory science, and that is our business speciality.
Who is involved?
Regulatory affairs staff and many other types of scientists must understand where pure science, applied science, manufacturing technologies and numerous laboratory studies and legislation come together. This is necessary so that an applicant company reassures the licensing authorities about quality, safety and efficacy in order to protect the patient and public. And that is where our company has an important contribution to make. I would like to tell you what we offer concerning our training services. We are working in a competitive market, and we are not complacent about the challenges to our business success, so we hope we offer some extras that others do not, in order to tilt the balance in our direction. Many companies specialise in particular product types. Others have a much wider range of products. However, most of the regulatory challenges faced by these businesses have common themes. We are able to help with one of our more general courses, such as the nature and content and way of writing the pharmaceutical dossier. In other cases, where companies work with biological or biotechnological drug substances, we offer specialised courses. These embrace the extensive chemical, pharmaceutical, biological and toxicological studies that underpin the progress of IMPs through clinical trial phases and eventual marketing authorization submissions. They are much appreciated and give delegates a wide-ranging perspective on increasingly popular pharmaceutical developments. Other targeted approaches that are adopted for some courses focus on the main issues driven by legal-based considerations, such as the legal and scientific requirements for generic medicines and biosimilars.
How are your courses structured?
Most of our courses run over a period of 2 days. They usually include several interactive sessions, we call them mini workshops, where delegates work together in groups on questions associated with the lectures, and then feedback their views to the other groups and the course leaders. This format is very popular with the delegates. Earlier I mentioned our extras. Our core panel of expert speakers are very experienced trainers and usually have had many years of experience working for licensing or other competent authorities in the European Union, and in some cases additionally for the World Health Organization. This means they are able to provide insight and perspective that delegates really value.
Where are the public courses held?
For the most part, at least to date, our courses have been held in provincial UK locations. The Legacy Falcon Hotel in Stratford-upon-Avon is very popular. Using such locations means accommodation is less expensive than in capital cities.
What sort of deal do you offer?
In our 2-day courses, our conference package includes the delegates' room for the overnight stay in the middle of the course. If a longer stay is needed, the hotel offers extra nights at a special rate. The package price, just under £1,000, also includes all the training, refreshments during the course including 2 lunches, a conference dinner at the end of day 1 and breakfast on day 2. We think this is exceptional value, but also included is the Delegates Manual, a document which delegates have told us they find to be a useful reference for a long time. We hope you will revisit our website at regular intervals to check for new additions to our course schedule. I hope to be able to welcome you very soon to one of our courses.